okay. You're pretty good, pretty good. Hi there.
Hi.
Can I get a pair of shoes?
Yeah, what size?
Size 12. All right. Thank you. All right, I got my shoes. Look at those fancy things. Woo. Lisa, am I going to be glad that you're on my team?
Oh yeah. Better get your shoes on. You're up next.
Oh.
I got a couple. I got 2 of them.
You got 4. Eight.
Good redemption.
7.
Show Lisa's, yeah.
The dash means there was none left standing, right? Oh, hey Lisa, you got 2 dashes. That's really good. Okay, you're pretty good, pretty good. Let's watch this guy bowl. Oh, strike! 20 years, yeah, right. That guy says he hasn't bowled for 20 years, but he's pretty good. All right, Jeff.
Uh-oh.
What is the coordinates? What's the coordinates of where the ball needs to be?
20, 20, 30, 40.
All right. Hey, that looks promise. Oh. What would you guys like to say after your first round?
Chatteron's a really good bowler. Chatteron's done great.
Yes. Chatteron is at 153 and he's not even here. How you doing, Kylie?
Horrible.
Oh, hey. Are you having fun though? Are you having fun? Good. Oh, he's gonna get it. He got it. Hey. Pretty good for camera in the hand. And he got it. It's like you planned it.
We're going to take a look at the best team. We're going to dominate this competition.
Right.
I'm not the bowler.
No, you're supposed to say yes.
Not too shabby.
He just hit a spare strike last round doing that. Hey! It just goes to show everyone's a winner here. So you may be wondering, why are we bowling? Shouldn't we be working? Or do we just like each other so much we're just friends and we go out and hang out after work? Well, we do like each other, but this is actually called the team building event, and we do one of these every quarter to promote just having a fun team unifying environment, something that's outside of the normal work, day-to-day work. And you can tell the guys really like it. If you have a business, if you're part of one or if you own one, guys, this is something that we actually contribute a couple hours once a quarter. That means these guys can get paid to be here. We want everyone to come. We cover it. We cover all the expenses for the food and the entertainment. And we do a variety of things. We have one person pick what they're gonna do, and then it goes to another new person the next quarter what the team's gonna do. So I really encourage you to consider doing this. It's great, and we get a ton of awesome feedback, positive feedback, that it's worth doing and people really like it. And we see people come alive a lot more than maybe just working in the trenches every day, even though we really enjoy that too. So Thanks guys for watching. We really appreciate you. We thank you for supporting Ready. If you're buying our products, give us feedback. Thank you for helping us keep farmers farming. If you're supporting us and you're not a farmer, just hit that like button. Give us comments to help us improve all the time. That's our goal. And we just love our customers. We love our team. And we are so blessed. We love the Lord. He's the creator and he gave us all the ability to do this. And we give him all glory and honor. So we are out. God bless and see you later.